All right, it is 6:10 in the morning, day number 2, second full day here. My trip to Japan, and I'm on a mission to go find some grass. These azaleas. We talked about landscaping yesterday, and it's just so much a part of the culture here is having that green space, that urban green space, and they do it so well. But I saw grass yesterday, so let's talk about it. Alright, looky here. What we have is Zoysia japonica. This is what's pretty interesting. It's clean for the most part. I do not know if it's chemically treated. Does not have much color. It's thinned out. I would say they keep the fertilizers and whatnot off just to minimize the amount of maintenance that takes place, because this is like a local community common area. Look at the soil type, extremely sandy. Extremely sandy. It's like a real loamy sand, actually. It's very light. You can see a couple of spots in it from dog pee. So, if you ever have a warm season lawn, you get these dark green spots here. I mean, look at the difference in turf quality between here. Dog pee, no dog pee. May not even be from a dog, could be another animal. Look right here. What's the difference between this and this? And this? Soil fertility.
Situations that always occurred, complications that made it all worse, obligations we needed to keep. Now you say you still want me. Never would have thought that I would be dancing with you under the dark sky. Never would have thought that you would be singing with me under the big moon.
I think we've come across some actually maintained turf here. Small area, small little common area next to a little court. But look, this Zoysia looks really good. This is really good. In fact, it looks like the weeds are maintained. It's got great color. It's being watered. As far as mowing, I'm pretty sure this is just weed eated. I don't know, it could be push mowed. Definitely not real mowed. That's pretty nonetheless. And it's pretty neat in a 15-minute walk. All of a sudden you're into the neighborhood markets. Still can't get over the way these trees are maintained. That's super uncommon. You don't see graffiti tags in Japan very often.
You would know where to be found. Tip my bottle, heading uptown.
So like I said, this is my first time in Japan during the summer, and usually when I'm here, the one thing that really sticks out to me are the crows. Japan has the biggest crows I have ever seen in my life. And they are loud. My goodness, they are loud. Look, the sweet gum tree. Pretty good looking. The crows here are the biggest, loudest crows I've ever seen or heard. During the summertime, it's the cicadas. I grew up in the South, I lived in the South. The cicadas here are unbelievably loud. Next level loud. And already it's turning into a bustling, busy city at 7 o'clock in the morning. Look at this crow. They're so big and so loud. It sounds almost like a human is mimicking a bird.
Left you behind. Now that you know things can never be the same. My sundress reminds me to forget. The wind undid my hair like it knew you weren't there. Boys like you never play fair. Don't play fair. I'm on a midnight bike ride. There's orders 2 a.m. Left you behind. How could you think we could just be friends again? I'm on a midnight bike ride. There's orders 2 a.m. Left you behind. Now that you know things can never be the same. City has no secrets. I know all the shortcuts, now I'm lost looking for your touch. Used to be your night shift, can't work out, I might just slide downhill until the sun lifts. Found an empty street, sing myself a melody.